Hello and welcome back to the Golf Diaries. A very quick, very different video from me today, and that's to announce that there is a new series coming to the channel. Straight up, sounds very serious, doesn't it? That's unlike me. But there's a new series coming to the channel which is going to be all about this little thing here. So a full restoration project is well underway. I'll take you very quickly round now. Hopefully you can hear me because I don't have my microphone on. This is very much on the hoof. I just decided to pick the camera up. So hopefully you can hear me. So in here, we've done quite a bit of work in here. I know it looks a bit of a mess, but that's an old engine for you. Obviously we've got a bit of a cleaning job to do there for the detailers amongst you, so stay tuned for that. The only thing we've got to do now, we've given it a full service, oil change, all that kind of good stuff, air filter, plugs, the whole lot. Just need to get the timing belt changed. I'm not particularly keen on doing that myself because obviously that can go horribly wrong if you don't really know what you're doing. So I've never done that before, so I will get a garage to sort that out for me just ahead of getting it MOT'd. Now for the MOT, I'm also going to have to change the tyres. Now they look really good, and to be fair, there's lots of tread on them, but and they're looking nice and shiny because of various videos I've been demonstrating product on. But yeah, so the tyres are 12 years old, so clearly, you know, past the sell by date. They haven't been out in UV, they've been sat in here, but that's not the point. They are 12 years old. So for the sake of safety, I'm going to put 4 new tyres on. And then as we move across here, a few little jobs still to do on the inside, most notably I should say, this here. So a little bit of broken trim on the top here, as you can see. Trying to film and point at the same time, clearly two things at once, can't do it. That is a slight crack there, and obviously it's just coming away here. So I've got a new one of these trim pieces, so I'll put that in. Then we'll start to finish off the leather, I should say, because I've done most of it. I think I just need to do this passenger seat, and then we will give it a good detail. I've also got, which will come to the channel as well, new carpets. I don't know why I've come down here. I'm sure you know what a carpet looks like. But these carpets are 30 odd years old, so we've got some new ones. So I'm going to replace those carpets as well. Up here, now the hood has been sat, obviously, well, hasn't gone anywhere. Clearly it's been sat. What are you talking about? It's been stuck on the car in the garage all through the winter. Now, as I've said many times before, lots of dust in this garage, and I don't know whether you can pick it up on here, but it's really quite ingrained in where you've got condensation. It gets a little bit damp, it dries out, damp dries out with dust on it. So yeah, it's the whole it's a mohair hood, and it needs a really good refurbish. So I've kind of got the kit in for that. Then once all that's done and she's MOT'd, we'll do a full detail, which will include a machine polish. Yay, I hear you say. I know I've had various comments about the state of this poor thing's paintwork, so it is embarrassing. So finally we're going to get it done. I need to find out. I'll show you this side where I haven't been filming. I've just finished a film on that other side, video on the other side, but you can see, I mean, this is what you're up against constantly. It's just dust constantly. You just can't keep on top of it. I mean, this was wiped down 3 days ago, and we've had a few high winds, and just it's covered in dust again. So it's going to have a full machine polish, a full detail, and then we'll get it back on the road, take you out on a few road trips, things like that, a few shows with her and things like that. Now, as I said earlier at the start of the video, hello, we're going to do a series of kind of refurbishment project videos, taking you through every step of the process. I know I've talked about it before, and then we've just cracked on with stuff behind the scenes, such as sorting the fuel tank rust issues, sorting the fueling issues. We've done all the brakes, so we've completely redone all the brakes. Various other bits and bobs we've done. So, you know, there's a whole list which I'll go through on another time. But hopefully that's going to be of interest to you. Follow Kitty the Rivage back to the road, not before time, eh? So anyway, I said it was going to be a short one for me today, and short one it will be. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.